Hey, thanks for purchasing this HTML/JavaScript snippet course and pack. First, let me show you how to implement the backgrounds, and at the end, I'll show you how to make your own. So this is our sample site now. It has a cool parallax background, but it's pretty plain, white background that makes you numb. Let's add some spice. We go to edit with Elementor, but you can also use these with Divi, Otter, Gutenberg, and lots of other WordPress platforms. We'll focus on Elementor for now. So here we are at the Elementor backend. We'll add an HTML snippet, drag and drop to a new container. Here we are. Now let's open the package of pre-designed snippets which is included with your purchase. Let's start with these random pixels. It's pretty sweet. It's a text document, so you can open it with Notepad, Jedit, a browser, whatever you feel most comfortable with. Here's the code. Just click Ctrl A or select all and copy. Then go to your Elementor HTML snippet. Make sure it's an HTML snippet and not a text editor, and paste it just as it is. And boom! Look at that magic. Now refresh and look at what we've done. Now let's add a spacer so you can see them more clearly, and I'll show you how to modify these snippets. They're all commented out where and what you can change. For example, let's change the accent color for this animation. Right now it's green, but let's make it orange or red. Look for the comment on the code. Here it is. So let's change it, copy your desired color and paste it. Refresh and look how beautiful that looks. Okay, let's move on to another snippet. This one has a transparent background. So look how it looks. Not bad with a white background. But our titles get lost. So we edit our page settings to have a dark gray background. There we go. Okay, another sample. Just so you get the hang of it. Same routine, open the text document, copy and paste into the HTML snippet. It's important you don't have two HTML snippets, you're going to get some conflicts. Just erase the old one and paste the new one. Another example still. Copy and paste. Let's try this one, the best one, Aurora Particles. It looks so elegant. You can change the gradient colors, the particles, speeds, everything. I also included a pre-designed black background for this Aurora background, and I'll show you how to edit it. So let's select it and paste it in our Elementor backend. Now, suppose we want a red and purple look. Let's look inside the code for the comments that specify the gradient background colors. Here are the degrees of inclination and the colors. We pick a color number 1 and paste it. Now a color number 2 and paste it. You can see how the gradient looks already. Now the particles, let's make them white so they contrast. Copy and paste in main color, publish, refresh. And look what a beautiful artwork we just made. Alright, so you've gotten the hang of how to implement these snippets. Now let's look at how you can make them yourself.